It's rainy outside, it's windy, so I'm gonna take some time to stain the chair. Let me show you what stain I chose for the chair. So I chose espresso, there we go, espresso. And I got the wiping stain, which is what Randy recommended. I got a couple different sizes of the natural bristle brushes, one for the bigger area surfaces and then 2 little ones to get in the little nooks and crannies. Okay, I will say it's easier to get stain on if you are looking not through the viewfinder of a camera. All right, I do not know how long to let this sit on here. Old Masters wiping stain, they say leave it on for 5 to 15 minutes, depending on how dark you want your stain to be. That's pretty. Okay, so that's how much came off. If this doesn't have the coverage or the color or that I want, then what I'm gonna do is I'll just go back in and do it again. I'm gonna go back in and reapply this arm because look at it in comparison to this one. This one is really dark and beautiful, and this one is a little bit splotchy and a significant amount lighter. So I'll go ahead and wipe down the rest of it in the order that I put it on, and then, you know, I'll reapply wherever it needs it. But yeah, that is just, that's gorgeous. That's gorgeous.